In this video, we will make this drawing in CREO Parametric. So this is the video lecture in which we will learn how to create 2D drawings, 2D geometry in CREO software. I am using CREO Parametric 8.0. It has a little extra features other than CREO 4.0 and CREO 4.0. So let's start it. So this is the simple 2D drawing in which only the line command is used. So let's make it. First of all, for making the 2D drawing, click on new, click on sketch and click on OK. Then we will make this line. So click on first center line and make the simple center line. Then make this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, make this kind of simple drawing. Then if you press the escape, automatically dimension will come like this. Then we will give the dimension. This angle is 144 degree. This dimension is 42. As you can see, all the dimension is given according to this drawing. This is the 50 dimension, so I have make this 30 and this 20, so automatically it will come 50. Likewise, you can create this drawing in the CREO. Next, we will make this drawing in the CREO Parametric. So I am removing this all the drawing, and again I am creating one center line X and Y. Next, we will make this line go upper, right click, click on arc, make the arc, again click on line, make the line, okay, then go in the fillet, click here and click here, okay, then arrange the dimension, whatever the dimension come automatically, okay, then we have to give the dimension. This dimension is 14, so first we will give this 3 mm, 3 mm, this is 3 also, 3 mm, the height is 4, height is 4, okay, this is 2.4, 2.4, this radius is 4, so dia is 4, so radius is 2, this height is, this radius is 3 mm, 3 mm, this height is 10 mm, 10 mm, this dimension is 14 mm. As you can see, all the dimension is given successfully. Then we need to create this circle of radius 1.6. Give the dimension 1.6 into 2 means 3.2. So dia is 3.2. Need to create this hexagonal of the outer dimension is 2. Okay. For that we will go in palette, go on this X side hexagonal, double click it, click here, click here, click on OK. What is Okay, we will give this dimension is 2. So click on dimension, click on this point, click on this point and give the dimension. Delete these dimensions and give 2. This point and this point will coincide. So automatically all the things is ready now. As you can see, this sketch is full right now is fully defined. All the dimension is given according to our sketch. Okay, so thank you guys. On the next video we will make this drawing. Thank you very much.